Outstanding design defines the 2005 Chrysler Sebring. This two-door, five-passenger coupe still has less than 80,000 miles. Chrysler made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3-liter six-cylinder engine. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as variably intermittent wipers, front fog lights, and one-touch window functionality. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.